Activecampaign provides cloud-based marketing and sales automation software with features for email marketing, lead scoring and web analytics, a CRM platform, and a live chat messaging platform called Conversations. Activecampaign is an email marketing tool first and a CRM second. First of all, I open my Google Chrome, I write Activecampaign in its search bar. As soon as I enter it, I have a campaign homepage that opens in the middle of the screen. I see the email option. After entering my email in it, I select which option. I get a welcome screen where I enter my name and phone number. After entering my phone number, I will proceed to next page where I will have many options like how many contacts do you have, how many employees, and industry option. After selecting all options, click on next step button. As soon as I go to the next screen, I see more options including password option. After entering my password, I get into my account. After a while, I get my home page on my screen. The page appears where I see my Activecampaign dashboard. Here, a lot of things where I can see how I can start my campaign, send started and more effective campaign, growth of list, build pipeline, automated internal processing, etc. On the left side of the screen, we have many options like contacts, campaign, automation, deals, conversation, website, report, apps, and settings. The most interesting option is help option. Just click on it and get help with help center or going with live chat. We are also able to register for accelerated onboarding. So it is easy way to solve the problems with different platforms. Left side of page, the first option is contact. Click on it. Screen opens in few seconds. So on the side, I see many fields like how I can manage my account through tags, list, and database. So many options and report options I can see on my screen. More how I can export, import, and add my account. Here in the middle of the screen, I see an option of free migration request. We can easily migrate the contact. Let's import the contact. Click on import. As soon as the import screen opens in front of me, here I see a lot of options in which I see the integration of the most popular app. The first one is Calendly, second Google Sheets, and the third one is Typeform. I can import myself. Further down, I see a lot of apps. I click on the import file button. I can import any of my files in the throw from my computer, but for import, it must be in CSV format. When it is import, a data will be shown on screen. After uploading, I see all the data on my screen. I see my fields on the right side, which I can set different fields by dragging them down. So I need to set each setting differently. Do it because if I do it kind of setting, do it because if I do this kind of setting, it will launch me an error. You can put your own custom field. You can put your own custom files inside it. As soon as I add my fields, scroll down my screen. In it, I can select the list, add tags, and import more contacts and save them. I can import my contacts. After completing process, it will show a successful option on screen where I can manage the contact, import more contact, view reports, and create campaign. When I click on view reports, I can able to show recent report. I can also import more contact and view recent repost. Now let's start to create the first campaign. Click on it and jump on homepage, enter campaign name and select its type and go next to list option. Move on list option, edit it and move next. Then future, we have design option where we can choose my template as we want. I'm getting a lot of templates on my screen. As I scroll down my screen, I'm seeing a lot of templates and selection. I select one of them with, enter my name and email, and I can continue it by adding my subject. In the subject, I put name as design. I have not controlled it, and after some time, my time is running out. On the right side, I can see the options and different field. As soon as you can select any field, just drag and drop it on your screen. Here I can also add social link like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Snapchat, and any other social media. Also select my network selection and save it. Here I am able to add my video setup as well. Now there we have summary option where we have subject, text from box which needs to be verified. Also have list, schedule and preview option. Just set it and save it. Now go back to our home page. On the left of screen we can also use the customize our REST option like automation or deals, conversation, website, reports, etc. Now go to settings option where we have a long list where Now go to settings options. Here we have a long list where I select address option on it and open it. It is very necessary to add address in our page for Activecampaign. So let's add our address, choose the country, enter the company name, enter the address, also enter the address line 2, choose the state or province and enter the postal code and click on add address. Here the address is adding on the page. On the last there will be a profile option to change the settings. So we can easily add or create any component by using this method. Additionally, we can import any CSV file, add a contact, and use it. Additionally, we are able to invite active participants and members of our teams. So the best method to customize anything in it is this. This concludes our tutorial. I sincerely hope you enjoyed it and understood the point, and I hope that from now on you will be able to use this method for your purposes and hope you may benefit from it. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And if you would want us to create any video relevant to this one, let us know that as well in the comment section. Or if you have any questions, type that in there as well. We will try to get back to you as soon as possible. And I do hope you like it. So be careful, keep secure. Till the next video, stay safe.